Right, Bosch grinder, 750. Getting used anyway. Worn through a cup wheel. Now before we switch her on, that's not good. What's going on there? It's not that tight. Right, he's totally trashed the head. Right, he's completely busted the head. Don't know how he's bust that one. Gears actually look fine. Just might get away with just changing his head. It's running fine. One new head. Is it worth fixing? That whole head only cost about €20. With the lock button already attached. Well worth it at that. Just a little bit of gear grease. Don't fill the whole thing. Just enough for the bottom. That's it. Put on any extra and it's going to cavitate, overheat, and wear out your gears. On Bosch GWS 750 4.5 inch grinder with a smashed head fixed up again. That's her. Up and running again. At €30 all in, well worth fixing.